this video, I am going to teach you how to resize image on Adobe Express. So the process is really simple. The first thing that you need to do is to open Adobe Express in your device, and you can do so by clicking onto the link that I have in the description below. So then once you are in the Adobe Express homepage, what you need to do first is to upload your image if you haven't yet. So I'm just going to select this photo that I have from my local files, and then let it upload for a few seconds, and then I'm just going to choose the original aspect ratio for the size of my image. And then once you are in here, all you need to do is to hit onto this resize option that you have on the upper part of your screen. So it says resize, so click onto that, and you'll have different sizes that you can use for your image. So you can go for Instagram story, you can go for a TikTok video, flyer, and so on. So let us try Instagram story. Hit this resize button, agree, and then after a few seconds, your image will be in a different size. So I'm going to get cancel for now. Now let us try to resize it to a different size again. So I'm going with a Facebook post, for example. But you can also customize the size of your image if you want to. And by the way, the expand option is enabled in mine, but you can also opt to disable this one if you don't want for your image or for Adobe Express to generate the missing parts of your image in case that the size of your photo is not enough for the new size that you have selected. So as you can see on the bottom and the upper part of my screen, these parts are just added through the generative AI of Adobe Express. And again, if you don't want that to happen to your image, just simply uncheck that option on this part of your screen, and let us try to generate again Facebook post, resize it, and then once you have done that, that will automatically resize your photo into the corresponding size that you have selected. So that's basically it. That is how you can resize images or photo using Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.